Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare homemade kilichi that's going to be the perfect snack for your gatherings or just when you're craving something delicious. Kilichi is a traditional Nigerian snack that's made of beef jerky that's been marinated and spiced. Preparing kilichi is not as difficult as you might think, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be hooked. So, let's get started. Step 1. Ingredients. First things first, we need to gather our ingredients. You'll need thinly sliced beef, garlic, ginger, cumin, black pepper, salt, and vegetable oil. It's essential that the beef is sliced thinly and evenly, so it's easier to marinate and dries out faster. Make sure your hands and utensils are clean before proceeding. Step 2. Marinating the beef. Now it's time to marinate the beef. In a bowl, add garlic and ginger paste, cumin, black pepper, and salt. Mix it well and then add in the beef slices. Make sure that every slice is coated in the marinade. Cover and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight. Marinating the beef for longer allows it to absorb more flavor. Step 3. Drying out the beef. The next step is to dry out the beef. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or use a dehydrator if you have one. Drain the excess marinade from the beef slices and arrange them in a single layer on a baking tray. Dry out the beef slices in the oven for 3 to 4 hours, turning them over every hour or so. Make sure that the beef is completely dry before proceeding. And there you have it, freshly homemade kilichi. You can serve it as a snack or with a side of rice or salad. Trust me, your guests will be impressed. You can also start a business with it whereby you sell and supply to people to also enjoy it while you earn money.